This week, buy 20 rand airtime or data on the Nedbank Money app or online banking to stand a chance to win 2 domestic return economy class flights. Welcome to our fans on TV. It's the DSTV Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Ulingelo.
Usiqale ngo-5 lo ngithusayo. Us, we know the Kaizer Chiefs of Pakaqa, of Tsepo Masilela.
Yes.
Of Teko Mashamayeli.
Yes.
Of Umlomando Matoho.
Yes.
Of Kingston Card.
Yes.
Of Simpio Shabala.
Yes.
Of Letelo Runyak.
Yes.
Of Kingston Card.
Yes.
Yeah. No, of Sambisongoba. Yes. Of number 21, Musona.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. So we know before Tumelenkono there was Fernandez.
Yeah.
Yes. So now we're angry.
What did?
Yeah, we're crying. That's why I'm wearing these things. I'm crying. No, I don't want people to see my tears. I'm crying today. I'm crying. Yes. The reason why. Listen. The reason why I'm wearing overalls.
Why?
I want to tell the priest that the priest was staying at the same apartment.
Yes.
So, but now I want to show you that our parents spent 1,500 rand to come here. They work 12 hours to come here.
Yeah.
To spend 700 to watch this match.
Yeah.
Bella, we buy alcohol here. Those are facts.
Yeah.
No, I'm crying now.
We are crying.
Now I'm crying. Oh, John Cena, what you are doing?
It's not right.
John Cena, what you are doing?
Right.
Tomorrow I'm working.
Yes.
Probably my manager sing this video. My manager, I'm sorry. I'm crying now. John Cena is disappointing me. John Cena, what are you doing? But Kaizer Chiefs fans, there's one message that I want to tell Kaizer Chiefs fans. As children of Lenin told us that there are decades when nothing happens.
Yes.
But there are weeks where decades happens.
Yes.
So next season,
yes,
there will be weeks where decades happen.
Next season, member.
Next season.
Thank you, Mama Wami.
Sabong.